Alright YouTube, how the are you all doing today? I'm doing great, thanks for asking. So today I'm bringing you guys a custom zombies map on, it's called Wipeout. If you guys ever heard of the show, the Wipeout's basically a bunch of, like a group of people have to try and get through like an obstacle course through like water or some shit. And if you've said, like, if you're Australian, you would have heard of it or seen it as a kid. I don't even know if they still make the show. I only watched the Sideman video not that long ago on it. I thought it was pretty cool. And then this actually came along on my TikTok. There's a Wipeout zombies map actually on it. I'm actually going to start it up right now. The gameplay look actually really cool. It's like basically it's still the same shit, an obstacle. Shit, hold on. There's a fucking lawnmower going on. I need to close my window. As soon as I start making a bloody video. Yeah, so there's an obstacle what you have to go through on this map and in real life basically, or whatever they did the show. And the grand prize you get money, I'm pretty sure, and the quickest time, blah blah blah. This is like that obstacle course you have to run. And I'm pretty sure zombies actually can just walk straight through, but you have to do the parkour. See, this is what it actually looks like. This is actually my first time loading this up, so this looks pretty cool actually. Jump here, jump there, all the way to the end. Well, yeah, end I'm pretty sure. There was actually a gun up there. I should actually have taken it, which I didn't. I actually should have taken the gun. And I should have actually went custom. I should have went custom bloody mode, because I can just quick restart. I can't quick restart here. So, oh, you need to buy the door for 1,050. I'm just gonna buy it. Alright, see, that's what happens. These guys can literally walk right through. So, I'm out of ammo. So this is pretty, actually looks pretty insane so far. See, they're walking on nothing and we have to jump it. So, let's swap over to this, see? Look, dude, look how insane this is. We're good. We're good. So, yeah, it's going to be a bit unfair for us. Because, I mean, you wouldn't see a zombie fucking jumping doing parkour anyway. I think that'd be a bit ridiculous. Oh, I'm gonna risk it. Wait, it makes you start all the way again? So there's no like checkpoints. So I'm not sure if there's a Bible ending or something like that. Hopefully there is, maybe. There might be one. I don't like how you have to reload this gun. I think that's a bit overkill. See, that's just that sucks. That means I have to jump in the water to get it, and then restart all the way back at the beginning. Oh no! I'm gonna have to get. I want to get that. Buy that. So what's the actual next obstacle? I might actually hit the box. See if we can hit something out of the box, maybe. I don't know. Good point gun. What is this, an LMG? Whoa. Okay. Bruh. Okay, no, we're good. I'm gonna have to jump. What? No! Okay, boys. I thought we had to start back at the beginning. And there's Jug right there. Ah, that's so unfortunate. That's so unfortunate. I didn't buy stamina, did I? Can't even remember. Okay. It's alright, Jim. It's alright, buddy. We might have to restart. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Shit. I don't know why I bought that. I could have bought Jug. Oh! Fuck, man! Oh, I'm screwed. I'm screwed. I'm gonna have to restart this again. Dude, I've only been 12, not even 12 minutes. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. No. You know, it got me thinking, right? There's a wipeout. Imagine. Think that, I don't know. Like, hear me out. Hear me out. Squid Game Zombies map, right? The Squid Game's popping off right now. They made it on everything. They made like an obstacle where it just pushes you to like go through the obstacles, you know? There might be one. I have to look at it, see if there is, because I'll be down to play the Squid Game one. Heh! Jump! 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 We're easing this, boys. We're easing it. Easy peasy. It wouldn't be actual bad to buy that gun. That'd be good like a point gun. The B23R. We're good. It's like you gotta wait for the zombie to actually get on the barrier before they drop something. I can't get it. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm not dead. Ah! I feel like it'll be a good point gun as well. Hit it one more time, depending on what we get. Not bad, alright. Alright, what do we gotta do here? Whoa! What the fuck? What the fuck? What is that? Try one more time. I'm fucking hell. Wait, this is glitching! For fuck's sake, okay. Jump! 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 Purchase zipline, okay. 4th hour, what do I do here? Huh? I don't get it. 30k. Okay. What gun's that? Ray gun? Galil. On it. Okay, so we're at the Bible ending. So I think, dude, RPD was pretty good. I'm gonna pack punch that. Oh, that has a lot of ammo. Okay. Oh my fucking god. I didn't know what that button did, man. Oh my god. Alright. We are done. We are done. There we go, boys. Shit, we're still playing. Hold on. Hold on. Easy. Easy done. Easy. Alright, guys. If you did like this video, make sure to drop a like on it. I might actually leave the link in the description below so you can download it for the Steam Workshop if you did enjoy it anyway. But yeah, make sure to comment as well and subscribe. It's been it. Peace.